What is it like when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't answer a dua the way that you want him to answer your dua? How do you still stay strong as a Muslim?
See, one of my experiences in college, I was diagnosed with colitis, IBS. I went from like 175 to 135 like in a month. And the only thing I can think about, like, is God, you get me up out of this. I'm eating right, I'm doing whatever you need me to do. But in reality, I feel like when I really just sat down in there and realized, like, okay, I'm gonna be here in a minute, I start getting closer and just tightening my relationship with God any way I can, whether it was reading, watching videos, praying. And it's 2 weeks out to the season, I'm 140 pounds. I look like I'm sick, I look very sick. SubhanAllah, like a week later, I started getting my weight back. And the week after that, I started hopping back into practice. In that first game of the season, like, I caught an interception, had a fumble recovery, tackle for loss. I just had my best game ever. And everyone was like, wow, like, you ain't practiced this whole time. How do you do that? And I told them, I was like, the whole time I was in there, I was praying. I was asking God to put me in this position and just show him I'm grateful, and just to show him I would never go astray from him. And it happened the exact way. Even though I didn't even think I was going to play that season, like, I was devastated from that, but I just stayed committed to my faith at the end of the day.